Okay, this is my poster, and there are two guests. I'm the board owner, but the guests are randomly named. You can always hide the cursors if they get too busy for you, and it's just on or off. A real handy trick is how we can follow each other's view. So let's suppose the green guest has a question about something on my poster. I can follow them by clicking their little avatar. And when I click, I immediately start to see what they're seeing as they zoom in and move around and maybe show me something on the poster. And I can release the follow just by clicking the board anywhere. What's really great is that this works both ways, and I can ask a guest to click my avatar so that they can follow me and see what I see when I try to zero in and point something out. So this following works pretty well, but you need to communicate with each other to make it work. And I think that's about it. Good luck. Thanks.